Hello and welcome to another UltraTech product training session. Today, we're talking about Ultra-Containment berms, the economy model. The economy model and all the other containment berms fall into a general product category known as flexible spill containment. The flexible refers to the coated fabric or geomembrane liner that is used to contain the leaks and spills. This material is heavy duty enough to withstand trucks, forklifts, frac tanks, and all the abuse seen on site. It has the ability to be folded or rolled for easier shipping, handling, and storage. The economy model gets its name, of course, because it is typically the least expensive option when compared to the other models. This model uses a series of L brackets to provide structure to the sidewalls. Each bracket has a corresponding sleeve in the sidewall that it is inserted into to keep it secure. When the sidewalls need to be lowered, the brackets are quickly and easily removed from their sleeves and the sidewall sits nice and flat. Since these brackets need to be manually removed or reinstalled whenever the sidewalls are lowered or raised, the economy model is not considered a true drive-in, drive-out berm. To be clear, you can drive in or out of this berm, it just requires an extra step before doing so. The height for the economy model berm is 1 foot and standard sizes range from 4x6 to 15x66, but we can also do custom sizes. There are a few options available for the economy model berm, two of which offer added protection from the wear and tear that is frequently seen on site. To help prevent holes, punctures, and other damage from underneath the berm, ground tarps are available. This protective PVC layer will typically be 4 feet longer and wider than the berm, but can be ordered in any size desired. For those applications where there will be frequent traffic driving over the berms, an optional set of track belts can be laid on top of the berm. These 30-inch wide heavy-duty strips of PVC will bear the brunt of the abuse from vehicle tires and prolong the life of the berm. For passive draining of collected water, the UltraSelf baler can be added. A patented filter media blend inside of a cartridge will pull residual oil, gas, diesel, and other hydrocarbons from water, allowing only clean water to escape. There's a link to these options in the description below. As you might imagine, ultra-containment berms endure some very harsh conditions. And as rugged as they are not indestructible and may need repair from time to time. There are two options for repair kits. The simplest one is a large 11-inch by 36-inch piece of material that can be used to patch up small holes and tears. The only other tool that is needed, which is not included, is a heat gun. There's a link below to a video that demonstrates the process of making a repair. For larger repairs, or for companies that have a number of containment berms, we have a full repair kit. This comes with all the items pictured here: a heat gun, a hand roller, replacement handles, 50 various patches, and a toolbox. While we're on the subject of repairs, it's worth noting that the L brackets are replaceable. So if any of them get damaged, they can be replaced in the field and the berm won't have to be taken out of service for an extended period of time. Why would you choose the economy model instead of one of the other models? Most likely, and to perhaps state the obvious, it would be because of the cost. As mentioned earlier, this is typically the least expensive berm model when compared to other models, so it is definitely budget friendly. Also, because the L brackets are completely removed when the sidewalls are lowered, this model offers the lowest profile of any model we offer. So for applications where a forklift or other equipment with low ground clearance is going to be used to load or unload the berm, the economy model is a great choice. It is the least likely to get caught up or damaged in the undercarriage of loading equipment. Why wouldn't you choose the economy model? Convenience and efficiency. If the berm is being used in an application where vehicles or equipment are entering and exiting with any kind of frequency, the time required to lower and raise the sidewalls each time may make it a less than perfect solution. There's also the consideration of the L brackets. This is one of only two models where there are loose components. With the other models, the supporting mechanisms for the sidewalls are sealed or otherwise affixed to the sidewall itself, so they will not get separated or lost. Since the L brackets used for the economy model berm are separate components, it is possible that they could get misplaced. Other products to consider if you're looking at the economy model and aren't quite convinced. The collapsible wall model could be a good alternative. Instead of hinge supports, the collapsible wall model uses a series of PVC sidewall frames for its structure. There's a link below to this model should you care to look into it further. Thank you for your attention. Please look for other product training videos on our YouTube channel.